guys, welcome back to my video, and we'll be reviewing my Jeju Air. Yeah, and I just posted something. It says, "Hey guys, in March 28th I will remove a tooth." Yeah.
It's March 27.
What?
It's March 27.
Yeah, tomorrow it's March 29th. Yeah, guys, and today we'll be reviewing my Jeju Air. Yeah, guys, and that's just my brother. Yeah, and today it's March 27, 2025, and after March 27, tomorrow it will be March 28. Yeah. My brother and my dad will sama me pag remove ko ng teeth. Yeah. I will bunot my teeth tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow guys.
Remove your teeth?
What?
You're gonna remove your teeth in English.
So today guys we're going to review on Jeju Air. Yeah, and let's review it. Here we got the tail. Yeah, and Shana and Jeju, I think they have the same number because my Shana says HL, and look guys, Jeju also says HL. We got the tail, the nose, and I like this one. I like the engine, yeah. The name, windows, doors. Yeah. And I like it. Yeah. Yeah guys, and this is just so that's the end of our video. Just a short video guys, okay? Bye. Thanks for watching Jeju Air review.